days ahead of the elections, the focus is back on IPAC. Their director, Rishi Raj Singh, was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate in Delhi today, but he did not attend the summons. Now we have visuals coming in from Kolkata, where IPAC operations seemingly have come to a standstill. The lights are off, the shutters down. Now this development has triggered a fresh political storm, as the TMC claims BJP to be exploiting agencies to go after the party. There are more visuals that are coming to fore now. They've been accessed. We're playing them out on your screens as well. My colleagues Ridhita and Bhavtosh are joining us on the broadcast with the latest. Let's first go across to Ridhita, joining us from outside the IPAC office. And I can see that it's dark behind you. Lights are off. Ridhita, till about yesterday, TMC kept saying such reports of operations being halted are baseless.
Well, absolutely. You see that yesterday we have seen that AITC claiming that they are not scared about these agencies which are now encroaching at the time of elections, 2 days before the first phase of election in West Bengal. And at this point, I'm standing outside the IPAC office. This is their headquarters of IPAC here in Kolkata's West Bengal. And you can see that the office is lying with a locked door. As per the HR notice yesterday, we get to understand that employees are still on work. They are following a work from home situation, as many of the directors face back-to-back summons and questionings by the ED. We have earlier this week seen that TMC calling for a press conference where they had said they want the immediate release of Vinesh Chandal. We have also seen yesterday Mamata Banerjee stating that none of the boys and employees working for IPAC will be laid off their work. They will now strongly work with AITC, and they will also be employed by the Trinamool Congress itself. The word has also happened between Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee on this regard. That is when Mamata Banerjee had made a statement yesterday from a stage of a rally. But at this point, the visuals that I show you is of the inside situations of IPAC office, where operations lay on halt, lights are shut down, or the monitoring systems of there, all the television systems and other systems you can see are switched off. You can see the posters of Mamata Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee, and all of the, in fact, Narendra Modi's Chai Pe Charcha with Namo, all of the posters lying in dark inside with no employees working, only few security officers. Minutes down before to this, we had seen that security officials had tried to block our views for an inside visual. They had been putting out white papers here to block the way. However, now we see that the papers have been removed because they might be coming back to their stand and clearing the confusion that it is seemingly only workers, employees working from their home on work from home basis, and no threat has been on their shoulders of IPAC. That is what a clarity that we get after the blockage for us to shoot has been removed from the IPAC.
With us before I go across to Bhavtosh, we're given to understand there are more visuals that have emerged now from the IPAC office. Of course, Ridhita was getting us a live report. After TMC's poll advisor pauses operations, IPAC office is under total lockdown. We just saw this live report as well by Ridhita, who is joining us from outside the IPAC office. Complete darkness inside the office, systems shut down, shutters down as well. That indicates that there is no work happening over there. Operations have been shut. Like we've been saying till about yesterday, TMC said that all these reports are baseless, that the campaigning continues on ground. Now, Mamata Banerjee is also hit out at the center, saying that it is making use of the multiple agencies available to go after TMC. Let me go across to Bhavtosh as well. Bhavtosh, shifting our focus to the investigation part of all of this, the summons issued to Rishi Raj, and he has skipped the summons issued.
Yes, Swati, in fact, he was asked to join the investigation today. That's on Monday. He did not join the investigation. One is waiting to see when he will be again summoned. But adding to what Ridhita had said, all the directors of the IPAC have been summoned time and again. As far as Vinesh is concerned, he was arrested last Monday. The allegation against him are very grave. ED had said that he was one of the directors. As a director, he has responsibility. That ED has said that IPAC is responsible for financial irregularities, and also a serious charge was leveled in the court documents that we have accessed, that they received 50% of their funding through check and 50% from illegal means, which which included cash. Now, they have said that it's not only limited to TMC, but also other political parties. That's a very serious charge that have been leveled by the Enforcement Directorate. And apart from the Delhi Police predicate offense, ED has also said that they have been probed under the coal pilferage case. So there are two cases that ED is presently probing. Prateek Jain has also been summoned, but he has said that he would not like to be questioned in Delhi. But he said that his questioning should take place in Kolkata. That matter is pending in the Delhi High Court. So all three directors have either been summoned or arrested by the Enforcement Directorate. Delhi Police case is also there, and ED on its part has said that the proceeds of crime as far as the second money laundering case is concerned is around 50 crore rupees, and they've said that they have got evidence to this effect.
All right, Bhabtosh and Ridhita, do stay on with us. Now, earlier, Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, hit out at the centre, and this is what she alleged.
আরে আমাদের রোজই তো ইডি রেড করছে ইলেকশনের সময় কেন ভাই তোমার মনে পড়লো তুমি আমাদের এজেন্সিগুলোকে বলছো যারা আমাদের পার্টির কাজ করে বাংলা ছেড়ে চলে যাও কেন তোমার তো 50টা আছে আমাদের ক্ষমতা নেই আমাদের একটা আছে শুনুন ওদের ভয় দেখালে ওরা আমার দলের সাথে যুক্ত হবে এবং আমরা ওদের চাকরি দেব আমরা ওদের করে দেব এটা মাথায় রেখে দিন আমি একটি ছেলেকেও চাকরি ছাড়া করব না আমি সকালে অভিষেকের সাথে কথা বলেই এসেছি পরিষ্কার বলি আপনাদের এই চক্রান্ত আর কত অত্যাচার করবেন আর কত অনাচার করবেন আর কত ভোট কাটবেন এরপরে তো এনআরসি করবেন
Let's go back to my colleagues too. Ridhita was joining up from outside the IPAC office. Mamata Banerjee says this is all being done at the behest of centre. IPAC is being targeted because they work for the TMC. They are their advisors when it comes to elections. They plan their political campaign, and that's the reason why the agency is being targeted.
Absolutely, you see that yesterday Mamata Banerjee from one of the stages of a rally, she has said that BJP has 50 agencies, but Mamata Banerjee, the Trinamool Congress party, has one agency, and now that is also being targeted by the BJP as stated on the central's behest, as she has repeatedly said that ED is working on the blueprints of BJP, the central party, and they said that it is again on the leading opinion of the BJP is now attacking the agency of Mamata's government, which is the IPAC, as they used to work as one of their consulting agencies and their strategy finalists. Earlier in January, we have also seen while this entire office went under a ED raid, there were officials who had come inside to raid the office. They had taken some of the files, which was later taken down by Mamata Banerjee. She herself stepped into the office and took all the papers that was taken in custody. This was said that the internal documents of the party, and then she took it stating that they are attacking, they are raiding the IPAC office, but they have no right to take TMC strategies. So then she took that away. In months after that, we see one after the other directors are being called for summons, and again she has launched a fresh allegations against the Enforcement Directorate, stating that it is being used by BJP, and on that usage it is
all right.
Now
keep tracking all the developments related to this big story. We'll keep coming back to you. For the